Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. Now, firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth turn on. After that, we need to turn on the speaker and enter to pairing mode. So, at the top of the speaker, we have power button at the left side. Press and hold power button. You will hear the prompt. You will see the LED light, meaning that you turn on the speaker. After that, if your speaker do not connect it with another device, it will enter to pairing mode automatically. But also we can enter to pairing mode manually. At the back side, we have Bluetooth button. You need to single press at the Bluetooth button. You will hear the prompt and this LED light starts blinking white at the Bluetooth button, meaning that we in the pairing mode. Now we enter to pairing mode, so we should see the speaker as the device list. And right here we have it. Click connect near to it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!